Hello, my name is Kerry Hemstock. I've worked for RDaSH now for 12 years. Started out my career 20-something years ago as a carer in nursing homes. Over the last 11-12 years here, I've progressed from being a support worker to a rehab assistant. Now I work with the unplanned district nurses as a band 3, undertaking catheters, dorsal injections, insulins, wounds, all sorts of things that I never dreamt as a carer would be possible. I would like to go on and do the nursing associate, and I'm being encouraged, you know, and supported by RDaSH to do my GCSEs to hopefully get me to where I want to be. You know, and then maybe one day I might even make it to be a nurse, who knows? But they're definitely promoting and enabling carers like me to progress. I think everybody seems to know everybody more. You know who the executives are, you know who different managers are from different areas, you know, and on the wards, you seem to know people, you know, and they're all down to earth. They do the GEMS ward for going the extra mile, which I've got. But yeah, it is a good organisation. Being from the LGBT community, I've never felt unincluded. I've always felt inclusive, and it has not stopped my career progression in any way. And personally, you know, we have a good banter. Well, I do have a daughter and a wife. They both keep me busy, but yeah, I love pottery and garden. My wife often says I'm like an old man, pottery and garden, you know, growing plants, a bit of fishing, dog walking, going park. So yeah, quite rural people we are.